You're such a goober. You have to come down a little bit. Hello, welcome back to my channel. And in this first impressions sort of demo review, I am talking about Lolita palette from KVD. And just a disclaimer, I'm reviewing the product, not the people behind the brand, so I just hope that you respect that I got this as a present. I really like it, spoiler alert. And so let's just leave the KVD discussion out of this and just look at what this palette has to offer. It is definitely primarily cool tone. I've been on a real cool tone kick lately. There are 8 shades in here. I've also been on a smaller palette kick. These mattes are very soft. They're very blendable. I'm going to do some swatches here. And I was very, very happy with the look I was able to come up with using this palette. I do have a Stila glitter over top because after I film this, if you have been here any length of time, you know I pre-film. So after I film this, I'm going to complete a review that I'm doing on my Stila glitters and then also my Stila glows, shimmer and glows, and then glitter and glows. So here are what the shades look like on my skin tone. This one, although it's looking a little muddy black, it is a dark purple, and I did use it in the corner of this look, and you'll see in the demo. So that's what they look like. I think they're super, super gorgeous. You have a little bit of a warm tone situation going on there, but for the most part, it's primarily cool toned. I believe this retails for about $34-ish. It was a pretty good price point. I did try to pair it up with, I have both of the Lolita lipsticks. This is Lolita 1 and then sort of wiped off, and then, you know, just a little bit as a base, and then I topped it off with the Wet n Wild lip gloss, their Zodiac lip gloss. This is Libra, and so that's what you see on my lips there. So yeah, I really like the final look. These are colors that I'm really drawn to, especially right now, and so I would recommend it. The thing about KVD is a lot of her stuff, most of her stuff is limited edition, so this will eventually go on sale probably pretty quickly. So if you like it and you don't really want to pay $34, just hang tight. You'll be able to get it for less. Like I said, this is a present from my mom. Thanks, Mom. And I absolutely love it. I love this color story. I feel like this could be sort of an everyday palette for me, and I'm very happy with it. You'll see a tutorial full on this look, and I'm working on filming my tutorials a little bit differently, so it'll be like really, really zoomed in. So hopefully if you like that, let me know. If you don't, let me know that too. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, like, yeah, hello, let's do that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna continue, but I just wanted to pause a little bit because I am reviewing this, but I also am wanting to use some of my new Stila glitters. So I just wanted to show you what these shadows look like before I start putting the glitters on, just so you know the difference before and after. And I don't have anything on the lid, but I have to say I'm loving these shadows. I feel like it's blended nicely. I feel like they layered nicely. I'm liking the look so far. Again, I'm going to be adding in some glitters, so I just wanted to stop and say that, because normally I just add music. I don't do a lot of voiceover tutorials often, so I just wanted to see. And then there will be a video about all of my Stila glitter. I'm going to go back to not talking, and we're going to get the glitter on the eye. And the one, this is the set I got for the holiday. I want to say from Ulta. It could have been Sephora. There'll be a haul video up about it too, so I'll probably share in there where I got it, because they had sets for Ulta and sets for Sephora as well. This set comes with Golden Girl, Perlina, and Kitten Karma. And I think for this one, I want to use Perlina because I've been wanting this sort of silvery color in general, and I think it'll go really great with this look. So I'm going to be moving on to that. But so, no more talking, get back to the tutorial.